I've been working on my kitchen countertop, but I always skip to something else. But now I hope I can try and finish that. What I also made is a sort of cover for a small area next to the countertop. And you'll see later on how that works out. Everything is done in rough sandpaper, probably about 80 grits or so. Now I'm going to finish all the surfaces in steps to 120, 180, 240 probably. We'll see how that works out. So. Okay, I've sanded both of them, and now I'll use some thinner to both clean them up, but also to get a view of how it's gonna look approximately. And you can see how much you can get off of there. I'll let it dry for a little bit. And then I'm going to put some shellac on it. Now I'm using some shellac that I prepared yesterday and bring that on. So I've been working on things around the kitchen area lately. Most importantly, the kitchen top. I had this lid done some time ago. That's to cover the induction cooktop. It's only halfway finished with some shellac, but I want to top it with polyurethane. I have to put in a filler here, although it's usable space. And then I'm working on the cooktop right now. Meanwhile, I'll be doing some work here at the fridge. I have to remove the fridge first because I have the access behind it. I have to put one wire in that goes down to the batteries. Still have to finish the surroundings with some white Formica so that that's nice and clean. I have to put in my traction boards, which have to be attached from the inside of the wall, so I have access to that as well at the same time. And then hopefully, in the time that I'm doing this, I will have the countertop finished, and I'll install that permanently as well. That will make it look a lot nicer. I'll start with the fridge. I remove the fridge, pull the wire through, down, and I'll be putting it down here to the batteries. However, before I do that, I have to make a channel to put it into. Let me see. Pull that through. Okay. That looks like it should work. But before I can close it up, I have to go to that side and put the brackets in for the traction boards. So that's next. I'm drilling some holes to put in the traction boards. And I taped it more or less off where it should be located, at least here on the left as well as on the bottom. So I drill the two holes here, got some, the regular holes are here, but there's of course an opening there, so I had to figure it out where exactly to locate it. And now I have to indicate where these two holes will come. And that goes beyond the fridge. Okay. Yep, that's better. Okay. Let me see. Yep. So there's certainly still airflow here. And I'll probably keep this open as well, or at least partially open. So that's not a worry for me. The batteries are completely open. That's a good thing. That works. I'll just finish it up tomorrow morning. Now I have to create an opening here for this bar. Got a lot of waste and it sticks to everything, but we'll get there. Got my back plate out there, and now I have to put these in. Okay. That should be it. Yeah, those are okay. So now I still have to close this piece of insulation, because that's for the fridge. And I'll have to hang the boards. Okay. Okay, that couldn't be better. Let's see what we can do. That's all but new. Let me see. Yeah. Okay. These are rock solid. But what I'll do is drive around with them for a while and see whether these knobs turn loose or not. One step closer to travel. Oh, before I go, please pay attention to these missing children. If you have any information, please call the appropriate number. Hi guys, this is Joey and we're building a one-of-a-kind RV. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like and subscribe. Or better yet, leave a comment. Thanks guys. You've done a good job.